Want to earn $1,000 a month on YouTube? Without showing your face, without expensive gear, and with almost zero competition? Stick with me because in 60 seconds, I'll reveal the secret AI tool that's printing cash for channels like Dark Mindset and how you can do it too. Here's the deal. YouTube's algorithm loves psychology niches. Think dark mindset, motivation, and secrets of the brain. And guess what? Audiences in the USA pay big for this stuff. RPMs are sky high. But most people fail because they're using different AI tools, ChatGPT, 11 Labs, Kling AI, and other AI tools, wasting time and money. Today, I'll show you one tool that does it all. Scripts, voiceovers, even viral videos in 5 minutes. And the best part? 95% of creators don't know this exists. Seriously, if you leave now, you'll miss the biggest loophole YouTube's algorithm doesn't want you to know. Here's how it works. 1. Script. This AI writes addictive scripts, like the ones blowing up on Dark Mindset. 2. Voiceover. Gets you a human-like voice, no robot sounds. 3. Video. Turns your words into movie-quality clips, creepy visuals, epic music, all automatic. You cannot skip this part. Most videos look cheap, but yours will look pro-level. Here's the secret tool, Galaxy AI. Free on the Play Store, Josh's App Store. It writes scripts, generates voiceovers, edits videos, even adds haunting music. You can use more than 2,000 AI tools on Galaxy AI. I'll prove it. Watch this Dark Mindset channel. They're using this exact method. Just 54 videos, over 1 million views, and more than $8,000 earned. All using this method. Keep watching or let your competition take your spot. All right, let's get started with Galaxy AI. First, go to the Galaxy AI and sign up or log in. Once you're in, you'll see a simple and clean interface. Galaxy AI gives you access to over 2,000 plus AI tools, all in one place. Now, how do you make a viral video like the ones on Dark Mindset? Here's the trick. You find a popular video in your niche. Let's say this video from a YouTube channel like Dark Mindset. Then tap the 3 dots on the video, choose Share, and then Copy Link. Next, go back to Galaxy AI. Search for a tool called YouTube Video Transcript Generator. Click on the first tool you see. Now paste the YouTube link you copied. Boom! Galaxy AI will give you the full transcript of that video. By the way, you can also use this for Instagram Reels or TikTok too. Just paste the link, and Galaxy AI will get you the script or captions in seconds. Once you have the transcript, copy it and open Google Docs. After pasting the transcript on Google Docs, you have to go back to Galaxy AI to generate a viral script using this transcript. Once you're inside Galaxy AI, here's what to do next. Go to the top right corner and click on All AI Tools. This is where the real magic happens. From here, you can start creating your viral script. Click on the first option called Chat with AI. You'll see a clean interface, kind of like ChatGPT. Now here's the cool part. You can choose from powerful AI models like Google's Gemini AI Chat, GPT Claude, AI Perplexity, AI Meta AI, even DeepSeek Pick, whichever one you like. I'm using GPT for this example, but feel free to test different models. Once you choose your AI model, you must copy and paste the video transcript you just took from Google Docs here. And then paste this prompt. I will put the same prompt in the video description below to get the best results. After the prompt, paste and hit Enter. Galaxy AI will now generate a viral YouTube script, custom-made for your niche. Each model has its own style, but they all do research, understand trends, and create powerful scripts that grab attention. Once the script is ready, you have to copy the script and paste it into Google Docs. All right, let's now create the voiceover using Galaxy AI. First, go to Google Docs, select your script, Ctrl+A, and copy it. Then open Galaxy AI, click on All AI Tools, and search for Text-to-Speech Generator. Now here's the cool part. You can use 11 Labs quality voices, all inside Galaxy AI. Choose your favorite model and pick from multiple human-like voices. Once you've selected the voice, paste your script, set the speed if needed, and click Generate. Just like that, your voiceover is ready, and it sounds super realistic. Go ahead and download the voice file. Now let's make it sound even more professional. Click on All Tools again and search for Background Noise Remover. Find the tool, upload your downloaded voiceover, and hit the Enhance and Remove Noise button. This will clean up the audio, remove any background hiss, and make your voiceover sound studio quality. When it's done, download the enhanced voiceover and you're ready for the next step, making the actual video. Okay, our voiceover is ready. Now it's time to get the AI-generated images that will bring your video to life. And yes, we're still using Galaxy AI for this too. Getting image prompts with Galaxy AI. Step 1. Go to Galaxy AI, open the tool called Chat with AI, the same one you used to make your script. It's important to use the same chat so the AI remembers the script we created earlier. Now, we'll ask the AI to generate image prompts for each part of the script. Paste this line in the chat, "Give me AI image prompts based on my script." I've added this full prompt in the video description for you. Hit enter and watch the magic happen. Now, Galaxy AI will give you ready-to-use prompts based on your script. You can tell it exactly what you need, like, "Give me 10 image prompts," or "I want 1 prompt per paragraph," or even "Give me creepy visuals for each scene." It will match the images perfectly to your script's scene, saving you hours of work. Alright, you've got your image prompts from Galaxy AI. Now it's time to turn those prompts into high-quality images for your video. Here's how. Step by step, open a new tab and go to Galaxy AI again. Now search for Text-to-Image or AI Image Generator. Click on the tool. It will open a new interface where you can start generating your images. Generating high-quality images. Now paste the first image prompt you got from Chat with AI into the box. Choose a model. I recommend using the Mid-Journey model, if available. It gives you high-quality, cinematic-style images, perfect for YouTube. Next, scroll down and select the 16:9 ratio, which is best for YouTube videos. Now click Generate, and your image will start creating. As you can see, the results are amazing. Creepy, detailed, and perfect for your video. Repeat this process for all the prompts you got earlier. Each time, select the Mid-Journey model for the best quality. Once all your images are ready, go ahead and download them to your device. Now you've got your script, your voiceover, your images, everything you need to build a complete video, and you've done it with one tool. We're almost done. Now it's time to turn those AI-generated images into actual videos right inside Galaxy AI. Step by step, creating video from images. Go back to Galaxy AI, search for AI Video Generator or Image to Video Generator. Click on the tool, it will open a simple interface. Upload and generate now. Upload your first AI image. Here's the key. Paste the same prompt you used to generate that image earlier. This helps the AI match the mood and motion of your video to the original concept. Choose a video model. Galaxy AI gives you several models to choose from, like Kling AI, Helio AI, and more. Pick the one you like best, then click Generate. In just a few seconds, your video will be ready. Smooth, cinematic, and completely AI-made. Repeat the same steps for each of your remaining images. Once done, download all your clips one by one and save them to your device. Now you have AI voiceover, AI visuals, AI-made videos, all created using just one tool, Galaxy AI. Once your image clips have been converted into short videos using Galaxy AI, it's time to put everything together and create your final YouTube video. Start by opening CapCut, then import all of your video clips, voiceover, and any extra images you'd like to include. Drag everything onto the timeline, place the video clips in the correct order, add your voiceover, and make sure everything syncs smoothly. If there are any unwanted parts in the voiceover, you can easily trim them by right-clicking and choosing Split or Delete. This lets you line it up perfectly with the visuals. Now that everything's in place, your script, visuals, voiceover, and music, just click the Export button in CapCut, and your video is ready to upload to YouTube.
Want people to respect you the moment you walk into a room? Try this one simple trick and watch how everyone starts to notice you. Don't skip, because this could change how people treat you forever. Most people walk into a room and nobody even looks up. They blend in. Their words don't matter. Their actions don't stand out. They're just there. But then there are those special people. When they walk in, everyone pays attention. People stop talking. Heads turn. Even strangers feel their presence. It's not because they're loud or rude. It's something else. It's real power. And respect comes to
You've successfully created a full monetizable video using one free tool and a simple editing app. Now that your video is ready, it's time to upload it to YouTube the smart way, using YouTube SEO tools to get more views. Head back to Galaxy AI and search for the YouTube title generator tool. In the tool, enter your main keyword, something relevant to your video. Galaxy AI will instantly generate an optimized title, description, hashtags, and even timestamps for your video. You can simply copy and paste everything directly into your YouTube upload. This will help your video rank higher and get discovered by the right audience. There are many other powerful tools inside Galaxy AI as well, like AI video tools, AI image generators, and even AI blog post writers, all super affordable and beginner-friendly. I've added a link in the description below so you can explore all of these tools yourself. This platform truly makes content creation fast, easy, and profitable. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because I've got more amazing tools and tutorials coming your way. See you in the next video.